an equation where the variables have degree 1 or the power of the variable is 1. The a value can be taken as minus c by a, that is intercept on x-axis. So we have 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. We'll divide the equation by square root of a square plus b square. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is Shruti lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So in today's session, I'll be handling the general equation of a line and how to convert the general equation of a line into other equations that we have learnt: a slope-intercept form, intercept form, normal form, how to reduce the general equation into all those forms. So first let us see what do you mean by the general equation of a line. So the general equation of a line is expressed in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, which is a linear equation. What do you mean by linear equation? An equation where the variables have degree 1 or the power of the variable is 1. So here any straight line is expressed in this general form, in the form of a linear equation, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b are not 0, they cannot become 0. C is a constant and it is called as general equation of a line. So the equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called the general equation of a line. Now here we have transformation of general equation in different standard form. So in our previous session we have learned how to write the equation in point slope form, in slope intercept form, normal form, like that. Similarly, there we have written the equation of line on the given condition. Then we have converted it into general form of a equation. In this form we have written. Now the equation is given in this form. Let us convert into those forms on the conditions given. Now the first transformation here is general equation into slope intercept form. So this is our slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus c. How to convert it? So here we have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So first what I will do here is I will shift this in this form. How to shift? So by is equal to minus ax minus c. Divide with b, y is equal to minus a by b into x plus minus c by b. So therefore, if you compare this to this form, mx plus c. So when you know the values of a, b, c, you can directly write the slope m and the y-intercept. So therefore, the slope m is given by minus a by b and y-intercept is given by minus c by b. So for example, if you have given the equation 3x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. How to find the slope? M is equal to minus a by b. So what is your a? 3. What is b? 2. So your slope is already given, minus 3 by 2. How to find the intercept? It is minus c by b. So c is equal to minus c is 1 by 2. Writing this equation in those form, we can directly write it as y is equal to minus 3 by 2x plus minus half. So thus we have converted the general equation into slope intercept form. By knowing the values of a, b, c, we can find the slope, we can find the y-intercept and write the slope-intercept form. Similarly, the same thing happens for next type of equations also. So again here, transformation of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in the intercept form. So x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. How to write this now? Now here this is the transformation we have made. The a value can be taken as minus c by a, that is intercept on x-axis, and b value can be taken as minus c by b. How we have converted it? So we have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Shift c to that side. We will get ax plus by is equal to minus c. Now, divide by minus c on both sides. I'll get it as ax by c plus by by c is equal to 1. Since we have minus here, it is minus c. Now, shift the denominator into the denominator. X is minus c by a plus y minus c by b is equal to 1. So, this is how we can convert in step-by-step form, but directly we can write the equation in the general form to intercept form. How? By knowing the values of a, b, c. So, if this is our general equation in intercept form, the value of a can be directly taken it as minus c by a and b can be replaced with minus c by b. For instance, take an example, x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Your value of a is 1, b is 1, c is 3. How to write an intercept form? I need x by a. But what is a? I can write a as minus c by a. So, minus c is 3, a is 1. Next, plus y. It is minus c by b. So, this is minus c by b. So, minus c by b is equal to 1, or I can write it as minus x by 3 minus y by 3 is equal to 1. So, this is how we can represent in slope-intercept form. Again, next, we have the transformation of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in the intercept form of equation. So, this is a normal form of an equation. So, we are converting the given equation into the normal form of an equation, that is x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p. So, what we will do here, we have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We will divide the equation by square root of a square plus b square. So, this is what we get now. So, here this can be taken it as cos omega, because x cos omega we have taken cos omega sin omega, and the perpendicular distance can be plus or minus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. By knowing the values of a, b and c, we can directly find cos omega, sin omega and p. First find the square root of a square plus b square, divide it by once by a, once by b, once by c. That will give you cos omega, sin omega and p. So, there we are going to convert it into normal form of a equation. So, the first question here is given. If the equation of a line is 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0, find its slope, x and y intercept. One thing you can do it, directly you convert it to slope intercept form or intercept form, find the values of slope, x and y intercept, or by knowing the values of a, b, c and remember the formulas. What is m, what is y, what is x. Similarly, when you come for the intercept form, what is small a and what is small b, you can find the values of those given in the question. Now, here the first is slope. So, we have 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. So, either you can convert it into slope intercept form or directly write what is your slope value. So, your slope value is m is equal to minus a divided by b. So, this is the actual formula. So, if you compare this into the general equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Comparing to this, what is the value of a you got here? Minus 3. What is the value of b you got here? Minus 4. Your slope is 3 by 4. So, this is for the first one. Next, you have x and y intercept. So, you need to find both x and y intercept. So, either you convert this equation into x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 form, or directly you can write what is small a, what is small b. So, this is the slope intercept form. I can write x divided by minus c by a plus y divided by minus c by b is equal to one form. So just this is your small a, which is x-intercept. This is your small b, which is y-intercept. Using this formula also, you can directly find what is the value of x and y-intercept. So now a is actually minus c by a. So c is 10 here, a is 3, so which is minus 10 by 3. So this is your x-intercept. Next, small b, which is nothing but your y-intercept, you can write it as minus c by b. So c is minus 10, b is minus 4, which is nothing but you can cancel 5 by 2. So this is your y-intercept. So this is how you can calculate. Or you can convert this equation into intercept form, then also you can find. So, or the given equation is 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. So, which becomes 3x minus 4y minus 10 is then divided by minus 10. So, it is 3x by minus 10 minus 4y by minus 10 is equal to 1. Or you can write it as x minus 10 by 3 plus y minus 10 by minus 4 is equal to 1. So, the value of a is minus 10 by 3, the value of b is minus 10 by minus 4. You can either convert or directly find the x and y intercept. So, next we have reduce the following equation into intercept form, find x and y intercept. First, let me reduce it. So, we have 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. Write this in the slope intercept form. So, 4x minus 3y. So, here I need 1. The general equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So, I will divide the equation by 6 here, which becomes 1 now. Put the numerator constant value to the denominator. So, it becomes x divided by 6 by 4 plus y divided by 6 by minus 3, which is equal to 1. So, therefore, you can also write this as x by 3 by 2 plus y divided by minus 2 is equal to 1. So, therefore, a is equal to 3 by 2 and b is equal to minus 2, which is your x and y intercepts. Next, we have reduce the equation root 3x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0 into normal form. Find the values of p and omega. So, my normal form is x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p. First, let me write the given equation in this form. Now, I have root 3x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Shift root 3x plus y is equal to 8. Divide the equation by 2. So, I will get this as root 3 by 2x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 4. Now, compare this equation to the normal form. According to that, I have cos omega is equal to root 3 by 2, sin omega is equal to half, and p is equal to 4, which is found. Now, I need to find out omega. For what values of omega? Cos omega is root 3 by 2 for cos 30 degree. Similarly, sin omega. Omega value must be same, but the value with the function differs. So, therefore, by looking at cos omega and sin omega, I can directly write omega is 30 degree, or in radians, I can write it as pi by 6. So, therefore, my omega value is 30 degree and perpendicular distance p is equal to 4. So, this is how I am going to reduce the general equation to normal form and find the given values. So, in this method, a general equation is given. We can reduce into any form of the other equation and find the slope, x-intercept, y-intercept, and also the perpendicular distance and angle of the inclination of the perpendicular distance along x-axis. So, we'll meet you in the next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.